Welcome back to my channel. Come on, job seekers. If you're the one who watch my videos for the first time, go for the subscription and press the bell icon in order to get the latest notifications of my videos. ITI Limited invites application for HR Executive Grade 2nd level. Here, the appointment on contract basis for a period of 5 years. But my dear friends, don't ignore this notification as it is a contract based one. They have clearly mentioned in the official notification that there is a chance to hire you on the regular basis according to your performance and the requirement of organization. Therefore, there is a fact hidden behind this notification. There is a chance for you to get a permanent job there. Therefore, don't ignore this notification. Now let's go through the further details of this recruitment. Number of vacancy 2 and position and pay scale. Total salary at rupees 40,230 plus some allowances also there. And minimum 1 year post qualification experience in HR related area is also required. And the essential qualification is any graduate with 2 years post graduation degree in HR or social work with specialization in personal management and industrial relations or HR, or MBA with specialization in HR or is equivalent course from any institute. And you should have minimum 60% aggregate mark for general and OBC candidate, and for those SC, ST or PWD candidates, they require only 58%, minimum 58% of aggregate marks. And here upper age limit is 30 years, and there is some age relaxation is also there by 5 years for SC, ST or persons with disabilities, and 3 years for OBC non-criminal and ex-service personnel. Okay, according to the government rules. Here the selection process, it completely depends upon your interview performance. There is no written examination for this one. Okay. According to your marks, aggregate percentage of marks in your PG and graduations, they will shortlist those candidates, and that shortlist candidates have to appear for interview, and according to their performance in the interview, they will hire you. Okay. Now let's go through the application procedures, and here application should be submitted through online. Okay. So after submitting the online application, my dear friends, don't think that you have completed all the procedures. But no, it is not like that. You have to take out the printout of the application because you have to submit the application along with some documents to some address. Okay, please look on to this slide. Here I am providing you the address to which you have to send your application, hard copy of application and some documents to this corresponding this address. Okay. Please note that without hard copies of application with the relevant documents, candidates will not be included in the shortlist. Okay. After doing this only, you are going to complete the entire process of application. Therefore, be sure you have to send that application form and the documents to that address. Okay. Last date of submission of online application is on June 3rd, and receipt of hard copies of application along with the copies of documents is on 8th June. Okay. No application fee is required as I mentioned above. Now I am going to tell you what are the documents we have to submit to that address. Okay, first document is self-attested photocopies of certificate and mark sheets in proof of educational qualification from your SSLC onwards. Okay, so that means your SSLC certificate is required, plus 2 certificate is required, graduation certificate and post-graduation certificate is required, and it should be self-attested one. And the next one is if you are belong to SC or ST category, then you should attach self-attest photocopy of caste certificate. Okay. Next one is OBC. If you belong to OBC category, non-criminal category, then you should attach self-attest photocopy of recently obtained community certificate. And if you are PWD category, then you should attach self-attest photocopy of valid disability certificate issued by the competent authority. And for the EWS candidate should attach self-attest photocopy of valid income and asset certificate. Okay. And for ex-service category candidate should attach self-attest copy of service certificate. And my dear friends, all the originals, okay, all the originals should be produced at the time of interview for verification. And in case if you are from government or quasi government or half government or PSU, non-objection letter from the present employer also has to be produced at the time of interview. So my dear friends, don't miss this opportunity. Last date of submission of online application is June 3rd, and you have to submit the hard copy of application along with the other documents is on 8th June. Okay, so don't miss out the date. Please note it down somewhere. Okay, that's all about today's video. If you like my video, please like it, share and subscribe. Thank you.